Hello guys, today we will unbox and test out the most popular budget Android phone available under 12,000 to 13,000 rupees, the MOTO G31. And if you have been thinking or looking for a phone, or you are thinking to get the MOTO G31, watch this video to know more about it, and let's begin the video. And here's the Flipkart box it came packed in. Inside we got the original box of the product with the invoice. And the price is printed as 11,999 rupees, and this is the 64GB variant. Coming to the box, the packing is nice. We got a bunch of seals on the box. You can also see the price is mentioned as 14,999 rupees on the box. Now let's get inside the box. And first we are greeted with the device itself, with the case included. It is a silicone case, but we'll keep that aside for the time being and check what all we have in the box. Inside here we have an ejector pin with some quick start guide, the included 20-watt fast charger, the Type-C cable, and that's all are included in the box. Coming back to the phone itself, first let me take off the case. You can see the baby blue color of this device. It seems good. It got some textures. Above we have a fingerprint sensor with the triple camera setup. We'll talk about the camera later on. We'll peel the front protective film and turn the device on. So it has booted up, and I will set it up quickly. And here's the final UI look of the device. It's typical Moto UI with stock Android with some Moto apps and features. Let's quickly check the Android version it came with. So it came with Android 11 out of the box. Let's now fire up the camera and check some samples. So the primary camera is a 50MP unit with the 8MP ultra wide and a 2MP macro sensor, which is just for the sake of providing a third camera. The shots are decent in artificial lighting, and I will also attach some outdoor images. You can see the outdoor images turn out to be decent enough. It is good. The camera performs well in good lighting condition. The main USP of this phone is the screen. It is an AMOLED panel. I will show some sample video. And here you can see its color. It's vibrant and color rich. The blacks are pure black. That's the advantage of an AMOLED display. The display is excellent for the price, thanks to Moto for providing an AMOLED display at this price point. But unfortunately the speaker setup is just a mono. Otherwise it would have been a complete package for consumption of media.
Okay, so first I just want to say, I get it.
You get what?
The phone has got a decent chipset inside, which is the MediaTek Helio G85 with a 5000 mAh battery. And so to conclude this video, I would say it is a good budget phone under 12,000 rupees. It doesn't have a powerful chipset and a great camera, but with the AMOLED display and a good battery capacity, with this price you should surely consider this device. And that's all for today guys. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe to see such video.
Already? Really? Come on, like.
Do I have to figure out my whole future before lunch, or is it's really? Maybe they're right. I spend too much time in fantasy land.
That is not you.
It's not really the brown girls from Jersey City who save the world. That's the fantasy too.